That is 20th question of nervous system. Okay, Bilsa, can you tell me the page number? 20th question is on which page?
13.
13.
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So everybody take page number 13. Everybody take page number 13. Ridul, mute your audio. Okay. So in page number 13, question is, name the sense organ other than the eyes that are used to identify the following objects. Through eyes we can see all things, right? Through eyes we can see all things. Besides eye, which all other sense organs we can use to identify the following objects. First, I will ask those only to answer it, okay? Ridul, unmute your audio.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. First one is a glass of water. We can see through our eyes. If we can see,
Yes.
we can see glass of water through our eyes. Which all other sense organ we can use to identify it? Yes.
Tongue.
Tongue. That is the tongue. So A answer of A is tongue. Write down. If it is not, then do it. If you did it wrong, then now also.
Cannibals creature.
Sorry. Who is talking?
Afternoon, ma'am.
Who is talking? Mute your audio. Everybody mute your audio. Sachin, where are you? I want to see you. Esra. Devananda, mute your audio. Switch on the video. Switch on the video. Devananda. Okay. Next one. Phala. Phala. Do you have the textbook, Phala? Do you have the textbook? Sorry, workbook.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So B. Can you see the picture B there in the text workbook? Workbook. Can you see the picture B? Page number 13, 13.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you can see by eyes. And how can you sense organ other than the eyes? Which is the sense organ other than the eyes to identify the object? Is okay, Irene. Irene is ready to say it. Irene, please tell me.
Ears.
Use is that one. Able. What is the answer? Skin. By feeling, by touching. Right? By touching, we can understand it. So skin. Mute your audio. Who is? Mute your audio. If parents are talking, please mute it and do so that our class won't distract. Okay? Okay. Next one, see. You can see a picture there, right? One bell. Bell, we want to use it. So it will produce sound. We can use eyes for it. Another one, Prayan. Very happy. I'm very happy that he is ready to answer it. Yes, Prayan. Which is the sense? Ears. So C is ears. C is ears. Evangel, what you are doing there? Okay. Evangel, I want the answer of the D from you. D.
Ma'am, see
D.
one answer. See one answer.
C, it is ears. E-A-R-S. Ears. Ears. Yes, Ambrose, dancing. Huh? Okay, Evangel.
B.
Evangel, please tell me the answer of the D. Where are you, Evangel? He is taking the workbook now only. Evangel, unmute your audio. Besides eyes, we can use nose also to identify the object. Okay, so who is ready to say the Ambrose? Unmute your audio.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. E. What is the answer of the E? What you can see there? What you can see there?
A table.
Table. Okay. By using eyes, you can see which all sense organ you can use to identify it.
Skin.
Who is saying that answer? Who said the answer? Who said the answer? Is it Ambrose?
No, ma'am.
No. Is that Ambrose?
Mammy Novin.
Enovin. So
Mammy
Enovin, when you change your name Enovin to Ambrose, huh? Okay. Now both of you mute your audio. Now I want to ask Josine, unmute your audio, Josine. So E, answer of the E is skin. What is the answer of the F? F. Josine. F. Where is Josine? Can you see Josine? I can't hear. Come here to the F. F.
Because it's lagging, the computer is lagging.
Okay. So Ambrose, tell me
Yes, ma'am.
answer of the F. Answer of the F.
Ears.
Ears. Okay. Music. That is the speaker. We can see it and also we can by hearing the sound. Right? Good. Now, Naifa. Naifa, tell me what is the answer of the G? What is the answer of the G? I can't hear. Say the answer. No. Okay, Isa. Isa.
Right, ma'am.
Yes, Isa.
Nose.
Nose. Okay, nose. Now your audio is clear. Okay, Isa. Okay, sit there itself so that I can ask questions. Next one.
Right, ma'am.
Who is this? Who it is?
Iron.
Iron. Okay, Iron. Do. H. What is the answer of the H?
Tongue.
Tongue. Tongue. Not tongue. Tongue. Okay, tongue. 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 Okay. So I
Okay,
think
ma'am.
almost everybody did the homework.
Ma'am, answer of G. Ma'am, answer of G.
G. Answer of the G is
Answer of G.
nose. Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. Okay. So see, this is only for an activity. Okay. The 20th question is only for
Answer of H.
H is tongue.
Answer of H.
I can already, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Mama,
Nice.
answer of G.
Answer. Say 1 minute. What you are doing when we are discussing it? We are doing it very slowly. What you are doing there? Answer of H is nose. Sorry, answer of H is tongue. Answer of G is nose. Okay.
It's
so-
very
Okay.
easy.
Okay. The next one. Please check the 19th question. Let me explain the 19th question. See, for the PT exam, for the periodic exam, this chapter is not there. Okay. Anha, unmute it, Anha. Anha, unmute it fast. Fast. Okay. Can you tell me which all chapters are there for the periodic test? Which all chapters are there?
Respiratory system.
Polar system.
Muscular system and respiratory system. Okay.
Yes.
Muscular system and respiratory system.
And
Can you mute your audio? See, these two chapters, Sachin, sit quietly. These two chapters, you want to read the textbook thoroughly and the workbook also. From the textbook and workbook, only the MCQ questions will be there. So from the short answer and from the long answers, I will find the questions which can be used as MCQs. Okay, not only the MCQ question which are given in the workbook, objective type questions, so many will be asked. 20 questions will be there, 20
Excuse
marks.
me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, that there will be options for every question.
options will be there. Fia, where are you, Fia? Okay, so options will be there, 20 questions. Jelin, why you are screaming, Jelin? What you want, Jelin?
Did part A like 2 types, part B?
No, only one. Okay, only one. See, here, Ridul, what you are doing there? So, 20 questions, 20 marks, 20 minutes. On the exam days, the previous day that the subject teacher will tell you the time. During that time, you have to be there. Before time, you should reach. Okay. Don't be late for the exam. Before time, all should uh, admit into that, and you have to do it within time. Okay. See, just, during the mock test, some of you can't able to go sign in. You have to tell your parents to sign in the Google account in the device where you are taking the test. Okay.
Ma'am, I
These
has
all-
already signed in.
Okay. So you have to keep it.
I had already signed in.
Okay. Good. So I am saying to as a general.
Ma'am, me too.
Okay. So question number 19. Let me ask to Nerin. Nerin.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Evangel, sit quietly. Nerin, please read the question number 19.
Look at the picture given below. Complete the sentence to show how the sense organs help the boy when he rings the doorbell.
Okay, can you see the picture there? Yes, one boy
Yes,
is
ma'am.
standing outside. He is ringing the doorbell. So, how the sense organs help the boy when he rings the doorbell? Okay, first, read it, Nerin.
The ears and the eyes send messages to the brain through the nerves.
Okay, ears and the eyes, right? So first when the boy sees the bell, when you are also, when you are going to one place, if you see a doorbell, how you will identify it? Through the eyes, right? Through the eyes. And through the ears you will find it. And what you will do, you will send the message. These will send the message to the brain through the nerves. Okay, second one.
The brain reads the messages.
Okay, see.
It identifies the sound and the object.
Okay, then D.
It tells the ears what the sound is and the eyes what the object is.
Okay, when the eyes will tell, right? What is that object? Both the sense organs are using it, right? Both the sense organs are using. Okay, Jelin Elizabeth, please read the 18th question.
How do ears help us?
Okay. How do ears help you?
Ears capture
Capture.
and help us hearing.
How it is written there, please read.
Ears capture the sound and help us to hear.
Okay, ears capture the sounds and help us hear. Okay, so these all are simple ones. Okay, maybe not, for the exam you can't expect like this question, but you have to answer the Bilsa. What you are doing there? What you are doing there? So 17th one, read it. Question 17.
Which organ works together to make us sense or something?
Sense something. Which organs work together to make us sense something? Yeah, to get some feeling of it. Read, Bilsa.
The sense organs work along with nervous system to make us something.
Sense something. The sense organs work along with the nervous system to make us sense something. So, can I ask one question here? Jay Krishnan, I am going to ask a question, okay? You have to answer it. The dash work along with the nervous system to make us sense something. Should I repeat? Should I repeat? Yes, okay. The dash work along with the nervous system to make us sense something.
Sense organs.
Okay, sorry?
Sense organs.
Sense organs, very good. The sense organs. Naren, keep your hands down, okay? The sense organs work along with the nervous system. So, here in this way, you can expect the questions. Sometimes that won't be asked. Which organ work together? Likewise. Because it is difficult for you to write the full answers, right? So, in the objective type questions, you can see from the answers of the questions, I will make the questions. Okay. So, study the question answers also. I think question number 14, it is already discussed. Am I right? 14,
Yes,
question
ma'am.
number 14.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so almost all questions were discussed. Let me see the 15th one.
Yes, ma'am.
15th one, I will call this Abel Austin. Please read the 15th question. 50. Who is doing the sound? 15th question. Abel.
Name the sense organ from the following.
Name the sense organ from the following. Okay. Which is the sense organ from the following?
No.
Okay, nose. It is the nose. Okay. Next one, 16th one also you read it. 16th one also.
What helps us to feel if a thing is cold or hot?
What helps us to feel if a thing is cold or hot? See, when you are reading, you should make a, you have to stop in each word. Don't, don't do it as a, Sachin, tell me the answer of the 16th one. Tell me the answer of, you were doing dance there, right? You were dancing there, right? Unmute it. I unmute it fast. Unmute it. Sachin. Okay. Tell me the answer of the 16th one. Read the question. Where is the workbook? You kept it under the table. Huh? You take it. I want to see. Evangel, Sachin. Huh? Show me the text workbook. Fast. Show me the workbook. Fia Lijo, what you are doing with the mobile? Tell me. Okay. Read. Who can read? Okay, Irene, read it. It is your day today. Irene, read it. Read it fast. Unmute it. Unmute it.
What helps us to feel if a thing is cold or hot?
Yes. What is the answer?
Skin.
Skin. It is the skin. So, Sachin, I want to see your book. Show me your book, Sachin. Where are you? It's not seeing. Right? It's not at all seeing now. So, next class, I will.
Can I read next?
Okay. And Leah, say
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, everything is discussed now. See, everything is discussed now. So I will ask some questions. So first question is to Andlia. Are you ready,
Yes,
Andlia?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So, uh, see, the network of nerves and dash help the brain in giving instruction. The network of nerves and dash help the brain to give instructions. What is that answer? Andlia, network of nerves and dash help the brain. See, I can see some are raising your hands. Helen, unmute your audio. Helen, unmute it and tell me fast. Thin. Network of nerves and dash.
ma'am, can Rosin tell? Spinal cord.
Spinal cord.
Can
It is
I
the
tell,
spinal
ma'am?
cord. Okay, I got the answer.
Can
Spinal
I?
cord. Okay, see, now I think other class.